Number 27 say that we're looking for to find the sine of x and the cosine of x, and you see we're missing a length here, and so the first thing that we're going to do is solve for that missing length just by using the Pythagorean theorem. And so my hypotenuse is 65. Usually that's what I like to solve for first. I'm going to call 56 my b value, and then the missing side we'll call a. Okay, so we get a squared plus 56 squared equals 65 squared. When I plug stuff into my calculator, because I don't have those memorized by any means, I get 3,136, and 65 squared I got 4,225. And I'm going to subtract 3136 from both sides. When I do that, I get 1,089. And then when I take the square root of a squared, I get a. Square root of 1,089, I get 33. Okay, so I know this missing side over here is 33. And that allows me then to solve for two things: the sine of x and the cosine of x. And of course the sine is opposite over hypotenuse. And if I'm going off of this angle in here, the opposite side is going to be 56. And the hypotenuse is 65. Okay, so the sine of x is 56 over 65, and if I want to simplify that and come up with a decimal, I got about 0.86. Okay, now those two numbers I already had here, so I didn't really have to solve for this side yet in order to find that, but I did need this side in order to find the cosine of x. The cosine, remember, so toa, cosine is a over h, adjacent over hypotenuse. So if I'm looking at angle x, this side is my adjacent side. So I do need to know that that's 33, and then divide by 65 there. And again, you can use you can find a decimal by plugging that in if you need to.